Step into the 2014 Ram 1500. It delivers an exhilarating ride without compromising safety and comfort.
It all starts at the exterior. This vehicle achieves a sporty stance when viewed from all angles. The active grille shutters on the exterior of this machine close at highway speeds to reduce drag, making this truck even more aerodynamic.
Once inside, the attention to safety and security is obvious. The following features are included: a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and much more. Other available features include a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rearview mirror, a power seat, front fog lights, turn signal indicator mirrors, a tonneau cover, power windows, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, a bed liner, and others depending on your trim selection.
The available Uconnect system allows the driver to easily communicate with a Bluetooth phone by voice command. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes.
The 2014 Ram 1500. Touch the accelerator and feel the phenomenon.